Imagine waking up one day, years from now, and realizing that most of your life has been spent chasing things that don't really matter. Picture the sinking feeling in your gut as you understand that time, the most precious resource you have, was squandered on distractions, trivial pursuits, and endless procrastination. This is the reality for countless people living on autopilot, drifting through each day without purpose or direction. The sad truth, many won't realize this until it's too late. But here's the thing, every second that ticks by is an opportunity to change, to redirect your focus, and to start living with intention. You see, life isn't waiting for you to get it together. The days you let slip away are days you'll never get back. Think about it. How often do you find yourself mindlessly scrolling through your phone, lost in a sea of social media, binge watching shows that don't even hold your interest, or constantly telling yourself, "I'll start tomorrow"? Tomorrow becomes next week, next month, and eventually, someday is just another word for never. What if you made the decision right now to stop wasting your life, to cut out the excuses, to stop letting fear, doubt, or laziness hold you back? What if you chose to live each day as if it were your last, squeezing every ounce of potential out of every moment? The excuses we make, the time we wasted, all adds up. It's time that could be spent building something meaningful, learning a new skill, strengthening relationships, or working towards the dreams you've always had but never pursued. But how do you break free from the cycle of wasted time? It starts with awareness. Recognize the habits that drain your energy and steal your focus. Is it endless distractions, toxic relationships, or simply a lack of direction? Once you see the patterns, you can begin to change them.